Most people have heard of something called Copilot, but very few actually know how to make it work for them. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to watch me build a complete sales analysis dashboard automatically without writing a single formula or pivot table. This is what Copilot can do inside Excel. And if you have Microsoft 365, you already have it. Let's look at our first worksheet, employee ages. We have names like John Smith and Emily Davis with their birth dates. Usually, calculating age in Excel is a headache because you have to remember the dated if formula. Instead of typing formulas, just click the Copilot button on the right and type, calculate the age of these employees. The AI will think for a second, analyze the dates, and then suggest a formula. You don't even have to copy it. Just click done. Boom! A brand new column appears with the exact age of every person. If you change a birth date, the age updates automatically. This is the power of having an AI that actually understands your intent. That was easy. Now let me show you something that even Excel power users get wrong. In our second example student report, we have scores for subjects like math, science, and history. We need to do two things: find the total percentage and then assign a grade based on a second table we have called the grading scale. I'm going to ask Copilot, calculate the total percentage for these students and then assign a grade using the rules in the grading scale table. Let's click to save the file. This is where Copilot shines. It doesn't just do basic math, it looks at two different parts of your worksheet and connects them. It writes the VLOOKUP or round for you. You don't need to be a formula expert anymore. You just need to know how to ask the right question. Example 3 is the one that saves your colleagues the most time. Watch this. In example 3, the goal is to take a master list of employees and organize them into specific department columns. This is one of the most common tasks in an office, and it's where you can really show your viewers how to talk to the AI to get the exact result you want. You should show yourself typing this exact prompt into the Copilot pane. In the HR column, please list all the names of employees where the department is HR. Use a formula that creates a vertical list. Great! Copilot used the filter function to extract the names from HR department. Once you have the HR column working, you can ask Copilot for the other 3 columns. Do the same for finance, IT, and sales. You've just automated a task that used to take 20 minutes of manual filtering and copying. Now, let's talk about example 4. This is the feature I use the most when I have a massive report and only 5 minutes before a meeting. This worksheet looks like a wall of numbers, hard to read at a glance. If you have a huge report with orders, regions, and categories, you don't have to spend an hour building pivot tables. You can just click the button, show interesting trends and insights. Here is the full prompt. Let's trust Copilot do its magic. Copilot will automatically analyze your data and find trends. It creates a full sales analysis dashboard with tables and charts. Now, how cool is that? It will show you which region is the strongest in sales or which is the top product. It creates the charts for you and you can just drop them into your sheet with one click. And finally, it gives you some more ideas to dig deeper. It's like having a senior data analyst working for you for free. Copilot is great for saving time, but if you want to be the person who actually builds the systems that companies run on, you need to master dashboards. That's why I've put everything I know about data visualization into my Excel dashboard course. I don't just teach you which buttons to click, I teach you how to think like a data analyst. We build real-world projects from scratch so that by the time you're done, you won't just be using AI, you'll be outperforming it. Visit the link in the description to start your journey today with 50% off. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you want to see how to build a professional dashboard, watch this video next. I show you exactly how to set one up from scratch. Goodbye for now and happy excelling!